Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. DC TechNet is your own channel, so do like, share and subscribe to the channel. And let's see what we have today. Now I'm very fortunate to have great people around me who call say in their whenever they face any issues. So on this Tuesday I was called in one of the disaster recovery issue and I joined the call and I thought of creating say a series of videos on it. So today's discussion would be on backups and restores, and today I'll be showing you one example and asking you one question, and in the next session I'll be covering backups and restores in depth. So today's agenda would be, we'll take up an example and I'll be just asking one question, and I request everyone to just write down the answer in the comment. So let's dive in with the example. So let's say we opened up Notepad and added 4 lines to a file and saved the file as test.txt. A very simple task. We opened up Notepad, added 4 lines and saved the file. Now what we did, we took a full backup of this particular file. So we performed the full backup of this file. Now the next step is we opened up the file again and we added 3 more lines, 5, 6 and 7, and saved the file again. Now after saving the file, we took an incremental backup of this particular file. So we took an incremental backup of this file. So first we opened up Notepad, added 4 lines and we saved the file. Then we took a full backup of the file. Then we opened up the file again, added 5, 6, 7, saved the file, and then we took an incremental backup of the file. Now the question over here is, what will be backed up in the incremental backup? So that's the question over here, what will be backed up in the incremental backup. So I request everyone to write down your answer in the comment, what will be backed up in the incremental backup. So in our next session we'll be covering up, we'll understand file attributes, we'll understand the rule of thumb for backup, we'll understand types of backups, components of a backup job, and we understand the data restore. So I'll be taking you in depth of backups and the restore world. And definitely I'll be answering today's question, the Notepad file backup question. So thanks for joining today's session and see you next time.